problems from the Google form for finding volume of rectangular prisms. This one was one of the most commonly missed problems. We have to multiply length times width times height. So the three dimensions are given. So our 5/3 times 3/2 times 4/5. The majority of people who got this wrong tried to make them into decimals. And since 5/3 is a repeating decimal, you got your answers a little bit off. If you multiply these as fractions, it comes out real nice. If we multiply straight across, 5 times 3 times 4 is 60. 3 times 2 times 5 is 30. And 60 over 30 equals 2. So our volume here is 2 cubic centimeters. This is another problem that was commonly missed because there are so many numbers given. Sometimes people tried to multiply more numbers than they needed. Remember, we only need length times width times height. So if we choose 6 to be the length, now we're done with the 6. We don't need either of those numbers. The width is 5. So we already used the 5, which is the same as that 5. And the height is 7. So we're multiplying 6 times 5 times 7. 30 times 7 equals 210 cubic centimeters. And lastly, this figure is composed of 2 cubes. So for this one, you would find the 2 volumes separately and then add them together. So the big cube is 6 times 6 times 6, 216. The small cube is 8 because 2 times 2 times 2. So 8 and 216 are our 2 volumes. They add up to 224. So 224 meters cubed is the answer. Remember, we are always length times height. If you're given more than 3 numbers, that doesn't mean you have to multiply all the numbers together.